Okay, we're now going to have a look at the operation of the Tecnostyl 628B drafting machine. If we have a look at the horizontal track, we've got this little black lever up here. That's essentially our brake. At the moment the brake's on, so the vertical arm can't move, and then if we push that little lever to the right, that will just gently sort of slide it across. If you push it all the way to the right till it clicks, that'll give you a free and easy movement with no tension. And then when you've got it where you want, just push that little black lever back, and then that'll put it into the lock position again. Similar sort of setup on the vertical track. To move our drawing head down, we can just apply a little bit of downward pressure on that arm, or if you want to completely release it, just push all the way down. You'll hear it click, and then you've got free movement of the drawing head up and down the board. And then to lock it, just push it back towards the board, and then that will be back in the lock position. The drawing head auto locks every 15 degrees, so there's actually secondary brake here. So we've got the main button here which releases the head to allow it to be rotated, and then we've also got a secondary brake here. When switched to the left, that's released and that's locked. So if we just release that for a moment, we're on 0 degrees at the moment, so if I push that button in slightly and then start rotating, it will then auto lock at 15 degrees there, and we can squeeze it in a little bit again, let go, and then that will auto lock at 30. Now if you want somewhere in between, you can either squeeze the button in and hold it in, or if you want complete free movement, you basically push the button sort of down and all the way in, and you'll hear it click, and then once it's clicked, then now you've got complete free rotation of wherever you like. So if I made it somewhere, I don't know, let's say 20 degrees, and then I push that secondary little brake down, then that's now got it in the locked position. To get it back to how we had it with the auto lock every 15 degrees, we just release the brake and then squeeze that button in and just lift up slightly, and then you can see the button's now popped back out, and so now it's on its auto lock of every 15 degrees, and then we're back to 0 again to have your scale rules nice and square.